Okay, this is the homework set Unit 8, Lesson 3, Day 1, question number 2. So this question gives us a right triangle here with angle measures of 15 degrees, 75 degrees, and 90. Hypotenuse of length 1 and two side lengths 0.966 and 0.259. And we're asked to then give the solutions to these two questions involving arcsine without the use of technology. So what I want to do is think about how arcsine takes a ratio and works backwards. Remembering that the right triangle ratios apply, in particular these are using sine, so we're going to use the first part of our acronym of SOHCAHTOA to describe the sine of an angle is equivalent to opposite over hypotenuse. So if I look at opposite side of this angle of 15 degrees, the opposite side is 0.259 and the hypotenuse is 1. So I could say something like the sine of 15 is equivalent to 0.259 over 1, which I'll write as sine of 15 degrees equals 0.259 over 1. That's equivalent to just 0.259. The arcsine then will take the reverse process. It will start with the output of 0.259 and give us back the angle that was the input. So arcsine of 0.259 will be equivalent to these 15 degrees. Alright, let's also take care of the second problem here. We have 0.966. Here's the 0.966, or the 0.966. And what we're going to do is the same setup. I'm going to say that the sine of 75 degrees, that's this angle. This is the opposite side to 75 degrees. That's still the hypotenuse. So the sine of 75 degrees will be equivalent to 0.966 over 1. So this shows that the sine of 75 degrees is equal to 0.966 over 1, or 0.966. Equivalently then, the arcsine would take the reverse process, start with 0.966 and give us back out the input of the angle that occurs. That input of this angle then would be the 75 degrees. That answers question 2.